Are you ready for more specials? Is it possible that we could have more specials? Because right now, Princess House is like blowing the specials out of the water. There are so many items on sale right now. But tonight, I have the e-commerce specials for you. So these are a little bit different. E-commerce specials, you can go straight online and place your order, www.princesshouse.com/Lbradley. Go to shop, go to online specials, and then you can order any one of them. These items are separate from party specials. You can order as many as you want. There is no limit. They are while supplies last, so once something sells out, they'll just pull it off of the site, and they can be shipped anywhere in the United States. The biggest difference with e-commerce orders is that these are shipped within 2 weeks. So you are guaranteed Christmas delivery for any of these items, and you can order them for gifts or for yourself. So that is a big difference. You can reach out to me personally, Lindabradley at myprincesshouse.com, to ask any questions or to place your orders, and I'm happy to do it for you. So these are the current e-commerce specials. All right, first off, we have our whisk. This is a great item. It's all stainless steel on the tines. It has a little piece of silicone here for comfort, but it makes it really easy, especially as you're doing all of your holiday foods. And this is on sale for $17. Another item that you may or may not have seen, this is our tortilla warmer. It's a really nice piece, so you can see that it opens up, right? It's that beautiful red color, and it's a thermal inside. You can't seal it here, it just stays open. So it's meant for when you're having your taco night, your tortillas night. You can go ahead and put your warm tortillas in here, and they stay warm, but it's also for pancakes, right? It's a great piece for that. So this is on sale for $17. Next up, we do have our Marbella coffee mugs, and these are that beautiful creamy white pattern, color I should say, with the pretty pattern around the bottom. They're a set of 4, and they are on sale for $49. In our the prep set, we have the 2 cutting boards that are on sale. They come in a set. So these are the ones that are made of bamboo, which is the best material for your cutting boards. They do have the silicone around the edges so that they won't slip, and they're color coded with the knives so that this way you can keep your fruits and your vegetables separate from your meats. Now the knives are actually on sale on the party order, so you can order them on the party order. These are on sale e-commerce. So these are a set of 2 of the cutting boards, and they're on sale for $28. And then we have our utensil holder. Now this does not come with the utensils. I just wanted to show you what it looked like. There's little compartments inside, and it rotates. So it actually is on a spinning base, and it's a great way to keep all your utensils together. It's stainless steel, right on your counter, really easy reach. The pieces do not come with it. It comes empty, okay? And this one is on sale for, where is this one? Okay, $28. All right, then we go to some of our stainless steel pieces. So this is part of our tri-ply collection. Again, it's 3 stainless steel, aluminum stainless steel, comes all the way up the sides. This is a domed roaster. Can you see that the lid is a little bit domed? And it's 3 quarts, so it's a nice smaller size for the smaller families, maybe 2 or 3 people. And this one is not in the book anymore, and it is on sale for $99. And then we have some big items for you. So this is our electric skillet. It's not sold in the catalog anymore. And what's really exciting is the one on sale is bigger than this. This is a 12-inch electric skillet. The one on sale is 16 inches. So it's 4 inches bigger. It's big. And what's really nice about it is it's made the exact same way of all of our stainless steel pieces. You will see that it is non-stick inside, but you can use it anywhere that you have a plug. So especially as we go into the holiday season when you're entertaining, a lot of the times when you're cooking everything on your stove, you don't have enough room on your stove top. And this can be used anywhere anywhere you have a plug. And it's especially nice when you have a buffet because you can heat the foods up and keep them warm right at the buffet table. So keep in mind, the one that's on sale is 16 inches. This is only 12 inches. It's 4 inches larger. It's quite large. And that one is on sale for $239. And then last but not least of what I have here tonight is one of our cast iron pieces. And again, this is no longer in the catalog. So this is a beautiful cast iron item. It has that gorgeous red enamel on the bottom, and then inside you have your black cast iron. A lot of people love to cook with cast iron. It holds your heat really well. It makes your foods taste so good. Over time, it builds up what's called a patina because it takes all the oils and fats from the foods that you're cooking, and it just stays with the pan. So then as it builds up that patina, when you cook, it makes all those wonderful flavors go into anything that you cook. That's why when you go out to the restaurants, the foods taste so good. Also, what's nice about cast iron, especially as a woman, if you are low on iron or anemic, cast iron is really what you're supposed to cook in because it will actually take those minerals and add them to your bloodstream. So this is the cast iron skillet. It's 11 inches. It's no longer in the catalog, and this one is on sale for $139. Just know that cast iron is heavy. Not everybody wants that, but cast iron is great for your cooking. You can use these pieces on your stove, in your oven, and on your backyard grill. So that's kind of cool. And there's one more piece that I do not have tonight. It is a 20-quart stock pot. So it's a nice large stock pot, and it has the strainer that comes out of it. And that one is on sale for $179. So that's a great value. So these are all of the e-commerce specials. They last until December 6th or while supplies last. So if there's something that you want, I definitely recommend that you take advantage of it right away because once it sells out, they just take it off the sale. You can reach me at Lindabradley at myprincesshouse.com. If you want to just straight out go and order, www.princesshouse.com/LBradley. Go to shop. Go to online specials and take advantage of all these great specials. Make sure you check out my other video for the party specials because there's some great ones going on. This is the time to get the items that you've been waiting all year to have because there's a lot of sales. All right, see you guys next time.